This is the 9-year overview reading for Coin. That's Coinbase. For the 9-year period of 2021 through 2029. It's currently December 29th, 2022, approximately 9:50 p.m. Eastern Time. Coin at the time of the reading, $34.78. Overall theme and behavior, multiple headwinds, keeping the price of coin like pushed down. It's marked with a significant trade opportunity at a support level that's on the scale of a multi-year chart, so we'll take a look at that. Behavior into the highest high on the scale of a multi-year chart. There's an old resistance level that's successfully turned into support, at least temporarily. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a decline from a resistance level down to and through a support level to meet another support. We bounce along that support sideways for a bit, maybe even hit resistance, and then we break down through multiple support levels into the actual low for the 9-year period. In 2021, out of a decline, we have a notable move higher from the bottom of a range all the way to the top of a range. In 2022, rally that increases, the beginning of a rally that's marked by a notable move higher, standing out on a multi-year chart. 2023, we're bound by a range in 2023. That's a range to the upper side. 2024, a significant rally standing out on a multi-year chart that offers an opportunity to position oneself like short coin, or protect oneself against their long positions, basically. In 2025, we have a notable decline. There you go, through multiple support levels. That's on the scale of a multi-year chart. An unexpected, very lucky opportunity here in the midst of some sideways fluctuations along key support. And then there's a bit of a rally in there too into 2027, because we have this crest that we sell off from, like this near overbought crest in 2027. In 2028, there's another rally into 2028. So we sell off from this crest and then we rally back up. But there's a halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support. That's key support on a multi-year scale. And then we come back and we attempt to break through in 2029. We attempt to break through key resistance, maybe the same resistance that we broke through as support. We attempt to break through it, and instead we fail and we decline through key support. That's the 9 years. Advised to trade around a key resistance level at which there may be something to do with, I'm picking up on litigation or legislation, something to do with like legalities and like rules and regulations. It's more than that, regulations. It's like there's like legislation or something. But in any case, the resistance level we're advised to trade around, its volume and volatility will flatten out around that level, giving it away. And then the following 10-year period from 2030 to 2039, we have a notable decline notable decline increasing with momentum as we move forward through the years of that 10-year period. Looking at the pattern recognition portion, it looks like we're probably here in the midst of, like, we've created the bottom of a range here in 2023, and we should see notable move out of the bottom of a range in 2023 or 2024, taking us to possibly to a high somewhere towards the end of 2024 or in 2025. And then from that high, there's a significant decline through multiple support levels. That's on a scale of a multi-year kind of scale. But out of that decline, there's also a significant move to the upside. So it's kind of like a big swing here in 2025, 2026-ish. My sense is that in the following 10-year period, there's an opportunity at least in the early part of the following 10-year period, there's an opportunity to sell after a notable move higher, but the majority of the behavior in 2022 is going to be, excuse me, in the 10-year period of 2021 through 2029 is going to be, sorry, the majority of behavior for the following 10-year period is going to be decline. So there's going to be some incline, some rally right at like the cusp here between 2029 and 2030. But I would be looking for a big move higher. You could probably get in on the low side here. It's hard to determine where the bottom is, but we're probably here around the bottom. And I would utilize that. You can utilize that as an opportunity to open up a long position and close that long position in the midst of a big move to the upside 2024-ish. It might even start in 2023. That's my sense. And then you want to get into a short position in the midst of that big move to the upside on a multi-year scale. And that'll give you opportunity to close a short position probably 2025 or 2026. That's coin for the 9-year period of 2021 through 2029. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so here, the unwritten rule of the channel. The rule of karma here at the resources tab, pay 5% of the profits back to the channel here at Cash App or PayPal. Much appreciated, my friends. It's great to know that there's people out there that can that follow through on what's right to do. No rhyming was intended there. And make sure that you send 5% of the profits forward, pay it forward to one of these charities here through one of the charity tabs. And then that leaves you with 90% to spend on whatever you want to spend it on. Just make sure you do so out of love. The universe will send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. Later.